today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it here. When you just click here on menu, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here, just click on it here. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just come here to open news in browser, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here open news in browser. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do with us all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.